This problem asks you to find the domain and range of a quadratic. So I'm going to show you what I would do for this one given a quadratic function and walk you through domain and range. So anytime I'm given an equation, I graph it. I like to look at the visual and see some key features or see, what's going on with the graph. So I'm going to go to a new document and I'm going to add a graph. And I'm going to type in a new equation. This will be similar to the one that you were given, but it's just a different equation. So let's try negative x squared plus 2x plus 2. So go ahead and type that in your calculator. Negative x squared plus 2x plus 2. And we'll graph it so we can see right here are some x-intercepts. And we can see that it opens down. So that's where that negative comes from, that it's opening down. So for this, we're interested in the domain and range. First of all, the domain is talking about all the x's. So all the x values that the graph could possibly be. And for this one, because it's spreading out and out and out on both sides forever and ever, we're going to say all real numbers for domain. But the question you were asked you about the range. So let's take a look at the range. The range is talking about how high a graph goes and how low a graph goes. So I see a maximum, a height right around here, and we want to verify what that point is. So I need to use my feature on the calculator under Menu, Analyze, and again, because this was going upside down, I'm going to use the maximum because it has a height. It doesn't have a minimum. So I'm going to click maximum. And I'm going to verify. I think it looks like it's about over 1 up 3. But let's verify that. So I'm going to click. It says in this left-hand corner lower bound. So I'm going to click anywhere on the left for this lower. And then scroll all the way over to the right. And I was right. I get this point 1, 3. That means that my graph goes to a height of 3, and everything down below shows my range. So my answer for this is that y is less than, going down, or equal to, because it does touch that point, 3. So y is less than or equal to 3. So again, try that one that you were given. Go to your graph, graph the function, and then try to find the maximum or minimum point. And again, get rid of any answer choices. If it's talking about range, we're really only interested in the y. If it's talking about domain, we're interested in the x.